In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to activate your Milestone credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Activate Milestone Credit Card and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one, milestonegoldcard.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Then head over to the option My Account. You will be directed to Login page. If you don't already have an account, you can click on Register or Set up online access and follow these steps to create one using your card details and personal information. In case you do have an account, click on Login, provide your account credentials. After logging in, look for the option that says Activate Card and click on it. You'll be asked to enter some details like your credit card number, security code, and a few personal identification details to verify your identity. Once you have filled in all the required information, submit the activation form. After that, you should receive a confirmation message letting you know that your Milestone credit card has been successfully activated. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.